Well, as I was busy doing the rebuild on the rad and making these look like new, all these brackets and pulleys and whatnots and whatnots, I decided to go searching for some stuff, and I found the tranny mount that I need, and I found the lid for my power steering pump. I found the right the right engine mount bolts. I just got to put them in now. They're just sitting in place, but they are the right ones. And I found the breather, and I found some other doodads here and there. Like, I also found the remaining 2 of the 5 trumpets for the air horn. So now I've got everything complete, including the compressor. Uh, so that's going to be fun. I got to get that in here. That'd be nice to have that hooked up. It was a good day today.